Hi. Today, you'll learn everything you need to know about motorcycle garages, the different types of garages for your ride, the benefits they provide, and what to consider when choosing one. Also, stay until the end to know what budget you need. Let's go. Before we start, don't forget to click on subscribe and turn on notifications. That way, you'll be the first to know about the new tips and guides from Allen's factory outlet to choose your garage wisely. Alright, now, you're probably an avid rider or you're just starting out. In any case, a motorcycle garage is an essential investment to protect your bike and provide a space for customization and maintenance. But how should you pick the right one for you? Let's start with the types of motorcycle garages that exist. There are two main types: attached garages and detached garages. Attached garages are structures that are connected to your home, and they provide a convenient and accessible space for storing your motorcycle. They can also add value to your home, and they can be customized to match the style of your home. Detached garages are freestanding structures that can be placed anywhere on your property. They are made from durable materials like metal, and they can be fully customized from the sides to the doors. One of the main advantages of a metal garage is that it can provide more storage space than an attached garage. Since a metal garage is not connected to your home, it can be used for storing your motorcycle, but also larger items like a boat. A metal garage can also provide a separate area for outdoor activities, like barbecuing and entertaining, which is useful if you have a small backyard. So how to choose? There are several factors to consider. Convenience. If you want easy access to your motorcycle, an attached garage may be the best option for you. However, if you have larger vehicles or want additional storage space, a metal garage may be the better choice. Another factor to consider is how it looks. An attached garage can blend in with the style of your home, while a metal garage can look nicer and provide a unique design element to your property. Additionally, a metal garage can be placed in a more strategic location to enhance the look and feel of your property. And of course, cost is another consideration. There's no right or wrong answer to that, simply because the cost can vary depending on the materials used and the size of the garage. Great. But why would you want to build a garage in the first place? Here are three of the key benefits. First, a motorcycle garage provides protection from the elements. This is essential for preserving the condition of your motorcycle. Rain, snow, and extreme temperatures can damage your motorcycle over time, but a garage can provide a safe and dry place to store it. Second, a motorcycle garage can provide theft protection. By keeping your motorcycle stored in a garage, you can rest easy knowing that it is safe and secure, protected from potential thieves who may be looking for an easy target. So if you want to keep your motorcycle safe and secure, consider investing in a motorcycle garage today. Third, a motorcycle garage provides ample storage space. You can use this space for your motorcycle tools and other equipment. Also, a garage can free up space in your home, allowing you to use those areas for other purposes. With a dedicated space for your motorcycle, you can also work on it more easily and perform maintenance tasks without any distractions or interruptions. Okay, now let's see the features to consider when choosing a motorcycle garage. We'll talk about three of them. Number 1. The size. Size is an important consideration. Your garage must be large enough to accommodate your motorcycle and any additional equipment you plan to store. If you have larger vehicles in addition to your bike, it's essential to measure them beforehand to ensure that you choose a garage that provides enough space for all your vehicles without feeling cramped or cluttered. A typical motorcycle garage is at least 12 feet wide by 20 feet deep, but you want to make sure that the garage is large enough to accommodate all your vehicles comfortably if you have more than one. 2. The style. The style of your garage is also important, as you want it to complement the style of your home and add to its overall appeal. If you have a modern or minimalist home, you may want to opt for a sleek and streamlined garage with clean lines and a minimalist design. Ultimately, the style you choose will depend on your personal preferences and the overall style of your home. 3. The maintenance requirements. Finally, you should consider the maintenance requirements of the garage, as well as the type of door that will work best for your needs. You should choose a garage that is made of durable materials and requires minimal maintenance to ensure that it remains in good condition for many years to come. And for that, a metal garage is hard to beat. Now that you know the kind of garage you want and the features you need, we save the best for the end: the cost. One of the most attractive features of a motorcycle garage is that it can be an affordable alternative to building a garage. The cost of a motorcycle garage can vary depending on a number of factors. The main ones are the materials used, the size, and the type. Attached garage or detached metal garage. Generally speaking, a basic garage for a motorcycle can cost anywhere from $4,000 to $8,000. However, more elaborate garages with custom designs and features can cost more. Also, it's important to keep in mind that you will often have to bear the cost of installation. Depending on your level of DIY expertise, you may be able to install your metal garage yourself, which can save you some money. However, if you're not comfortable with DIY projects, you may need to hire a professional to install the garage for you. The cost of installation can vary depending on the complexity of the installation and the location of your home. At Allen's Factory Outlet, installation is free of charge. It's our way of helping you save time and money to get the best garage right away. Okay, now I have an idea of every aspect of your next motorcycle garage. If you want to get a garage for way less than most people pay, you should check out the prefabricated metal garages at Allen's Factory Outlet. We can help you save thousands of dollars. Whenever you're ready, visit our website at allensfactoryoutlet.com to start customizing your garage. There's a link in the description. We'll see you there.